Hi, my name is Sindu. I go to Evergreen Valley High School and I'm a rising junior. My intensive project is the machine learning hummingbird feeder. This project takes footage from a camera attached to a hummingbird feeder and uses a residual learning network plus Python code to identify the frames that have hummingbirds in them. My final milestone was modifications and testing my project. For my first milestone, I had the ResNet and Python code, and for my second milestone, I had the video footage. So my next step was to run the code on the videos. I made several adjustments to the previous code, such as taking out the ground truth and plotting portions, adding a concatenator for the video clips, and adding the dimensions for the cropped areas of the frame. So what my code did was take the frames from my video footage, run the ResNet on them, make predictions that there were hummingbirds in the frame, and take the clips that had higher than a 50% probability for the hummingbirds, which means that there's most likely a hummingbird in the frame. However, the classifications weren't completely accurate, so we realized that it was because of the ResNet itself. For the most part, though, the hummingbird predictions were correct. This milestone had several difficulties arise, especially with backtracking and figuring out different approaches to the code to accomplish what was intended. Many parts of the original code didn't work for us, so an instructor helped me make various changes, and eventually we were able to achieve the desired outcome. But it was fun finally getting to see the classifications and concatenated clips of the hummingbirds. So here's an example of the final footage that we got after running the code. You can see it here. So this is after we put the video footage in. This clip is supposed to have the hummingbirds in them, but if I play the video, there are two clips. Only the second clip actually has a hummingbird in the video. The first clip didn't have it, so that means that ResNet made a false prediction, but the other parts of the code did work, so it was just a problem with the ResNet itself. Thank you for listening.